Did you know that our gut health is related to our brain health? Scientists have proven that there is a connection between our gut health and our mental health. Have you ever had butterflies in your stomach when an important meeting was about to happen? Or have you ever said, I have a gut feeling about this? Well, that is your brain affecting your gut. It's called the gut-brain connection. There is growing research that proves that our stress level is tied to our gut. When something stressful happens, our bodies react with an increased heart rate and that feeling of fight or flight. Today, many of us are in a perpetual state of fight or flight, and that causes inflammation in our bodies, especially in our gut and our gut lining. So today we are going to be talking about 5 healthy ways to relieve stress quickly. Hi, I'm Mary Tate, a board-certified health and wellness coach and an essential oils educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you stick around till the end, you will have the opportunity to download my new freebie, How to Restore Your Gut Health Naturally. And we all need to learn more about that. So stress is everywhere, and we need to learn healthy ways to relieve stress, or it will take a toll on our bodies. There are things we can do naturally to support your mental health. Here are 5 healthy ways to relieve stress quickly and effectively. The first one is to make it a point to get a good night's sleep. Research shows that there is a direct correlation between lack of sleep and how we react to stress. Worry tends to keep people up at night, making sleeplessness a common problem for people with stress. Lack of sleep increases our cortisol, which then can increase inflammation in our bodies. So it's important to lower your cortisol levels at night. One natural way to do that is through aromatherapy. Aromatherapy has long been known to help lower cortisol levels by affecting the limbic area of the brain. When we inhale a pure essential oil, it binds to receptor sites on the olfactory nerve in our nasal cavity. It then goes up into our brain, regulates our memory, our emotions, our hormones, our blood pressure, and heart rate. We then get a boost of serotonin and dopamine, 2 neurotransmitters, and endorphins, those feel-good chemicals. My favorite essential oils for sleep are doTERRA's Lavender and doTERRA's Serenity and Serenity Capsules. All I do is put 3 to 5 drops in my diffuser and turn it on. The other thing I do is I take my Serenity Capsules 30 minutes before bed, and I knock out and stay asleep for the whole night, which is unusual for me, so it's been a real blessing in my life. Exercise is another way to relieve stress quickly. Harvard Health found that even a single bout of exercise can help ease stressful thoughts when they strike. Anything from Tai Chi to bike riding to a brisk walk can take the edge off. Exercises releases endorphins, again, those feel-good chemicals in the brain. Another way to relieve stress is through box breathing. It's a very effective tool in lowering cortisol levels, thus lowering our stress levels. I also use doTERRA's Blend Adaptive, the calming blend, while doing box breathing. Have you ever heard of box breathing? Well, this is how it works. We're going to take 2 or so, probably 2 drops, and we rub them together. We breathe in through our nose for a count of 4. When we hold our breath for a count of 4, and Then we will release to a count of 4. So we exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Then we would hold our breath again at the bottom for a count of 4 as we exhale. Then we inhale again. Hold our breath for a count of 4. Exhale and restart the cycle. Another way is through giving ourselves an oil change. That's Dr. Sears' famous talk about giving yourself an oil change. Did you know that 60% of our brains are made up of fat? And we must consume the right kind of fat to fuel a healthy brain. Omega-3 fats are the right kind of fat. People who eat more omega-3 fats have a lower levels of inflammation in their bodies and less stress. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to general cell health, overall metabolism, and mental health. Most of us get plenty of omega-6 fatty acids in our modern diet, but an abundance of these high omega-6 polyunsaturated fats can lead to an imbalance between our omega-3s and omega-6 fatty acids. So that's why we need to consume foods that are high in omega-3s. Some of the foods that are high in omega-3s is fish, so salmon, cod, or tuna, nuts, especially walnuts, nut butter, seeds like flaxseed, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and then seed butters like sunflower seed butter are great plant sources of omega-3s. Peanuts, although a legume, and peanut butter, as long as it does not contain any added sugar or hydrogenated oils, are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados are high in ALA, which is alpha-linolenic acid. Also, eating grass-fed and grass-finished beef and dairy products are, as they contain more omega-3 fatty acids. So again, eggs, beef, chicken, yogurt, and milk, all from grass-fed cows, are important. Magnesium has been researched as a link to being able to relieve our stress quickly. Magnesium helps you to relax by stimulating the production of melatonin and serotonin, which boosts your mood and helps you sleep. Magnesium also reduces the production of cytokines and cortisol, which leads to increased inflammation and stress. It is possible to take too much magnesium, so contact your doctor for specific recommendations on the correct dosage for you and your family. Since stress is part of our everyday lives, it's imperative that we find a way to relieve it in a healthy way. These ways have helped me and countless others, and I hope that you take an inventory of your stress levels and incorporate these into your daily lives. If you want any information about doTERRA's essential oils that I use and how I use them, please message me. I would love to chat with you more about that. And I would also appreciate a thumbs up if you feel like this was something that you got some use out of. We would love to chat with you about essential oils or health coaching in general. And don't forget to subscribe to the video, to my video channel, or and then also download the freebie, which can be found in the description of this video. I will be back next week. I hope you have a wonderful week, and don't forget, take care of your stress.